A Westmoreland taxi operator, Delroy Rodney, avoided prison despite pleading guilty to 5 counts of causing death by dangerous driving. Rodney was driving a Toyota Noah minivan when he crashed into a truck along the Bluefields Main Road on November 13th, 2023, killing all 5 passengers. Eyewitnesses said he was overtaking traffic when he collided with the oncoming truck. He fled the scene and was arrested 2 days later. Sentenced to 18 months per count to run concurrently, Rodney's sentence was suspended for 3 years, meaning he will only serve time if he reoffends. Justice Courtney Day cited his early guilty plea, remorse, and clean record in the decision. Rodney was also banned from driving for 3 years and must pay $500,000 to each victim's family by March 31st, 2025. This is my opinion. This is not an unfortunate accident. An unfortunate accident is something beyond the driver's control, like brake failure or a sudden obstacle. But this, pure recklessness. He chose to overtake a line of traffic, putting his passengers at risk, and ended up killing all of them. That's not an accident. That's negligence and manslaughter in any serious justice system. And the worst part, he ran away instead of staying to face what he did. That alone should have been enough to deny him any leniency. If you can cause the deaths of 5 people, flee the scene, and still avoid prison, then what's stopping other reckless taxi drivers from doing the same? The justice system in Jamaica is a joke. They're telling taxi drivers, go ahead, drive as recklessly as you want. If you kill people, just plead guilty early, say sorry, and you'll walk free. That is exactly the message this sentence sends. 5 lives gone, and his only punishment is a 3-year driving ban and some money. Can $500,000 per family can replace a mother, a child, a loved one. His impatience and reckless driving took innocent lives. A real justice system would hold him accountable. It also makes you wonder how consistent the justice system is. Some people get harsh sentences for far less, while others walk free after causing massive loss.